Hello my acquaintances, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this witchy inspired look. There's a lot of different interpretations on witch, so obviously this is just one style of look. There's also like witches as in like the Wiccan religion, which I'm not trying to offend anyone. So this is obviously based off the like Halloween character witch, yeah. So I did like a little green and purple look because those are some like colors that are often associated with them, and I made it kind of dark. And I'll show you how to customize the hat and do the makeup, and I'll tell you where I got my clothes, and it's a good little look. So very easy and simple. Just kind of the shirt from Forever 21. I know that's like a kind of fast fashion business, but it's affordable. I'm not gonna throw it out. Kind of more vampy than witchy, but I like it. This necklace is the opposite. It is from the artist Hope Jackalope, and I got this from them at Umacon. Very cool. It's like UV resin. I'm wearing this. I got this from Kohl's literal ages ago, like in 2012, because I got it from my house in Mexico. That's why. And then I'm just wearing tights because it's kind of too chilly to wear a skirt, and I'm wearing black boots when I go out. But hey, let's get into makeup. I don't really like doing a base anymore, especially since my skin started clearing up. So if you want to do a base, you can go ahead and pause the video and do that real quick. But I'm just gonna go straight into eyes. I have a couple palettes that I know have greens and purples I like in them. And I want to do purple as the crease color and green as the base color. I'm going to start with the color Dark Matter in the Intergalactic palette, and just kind of go to town. I'm gonna also go over the edge of this with the shade Antimatter just to kind of soften it up, because I shouldn't have started with a color that dark. This is very Tim Burton, and that might just be the direction that we go instead, because I don't think I can fix it. There again, and just kind of go on the lower lid. Morty on a flat brush, and just put that across the lid. Next, I'm gonna go honestly just over top of that with the shade Alien. I'm using the same brush and everything. I'm gonna very outer like V into the purple and blend into the purple, the green from this palette, which I'm not gonna name because I don't endorse it. The green shade, it's just an emerald green shade, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner and blend it into the purple. Cosmic in my inner corner, which is a green shift highlight. I'm using this black. This is my favorite mascara of all time. It's the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I'm actually not affiliated with this, but I love it a lot. It's really pretty. Brows. I'm just using an eyebrow gel. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. It's $2. I also heavily endorse this because I really like it. It's not gonna work for everyone, but it's worth a try because it's only $2. So then we'll move on to lips, which I haven't really made a decision on what color I want to do them. Purple, so it's not too intense that it distracts from the eyes. But I kind of just like this nude as well. Alright, not bad. And finally, I'm gonna go in with some purple highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Cotton Your Web. Oh, I got something in there. What did I get in there? Oh well. And I'm just gonna go on my nose because I like doing that. Because I think it's cute as hell. And it makes me look like I have a button nose, which I do not. And I like that look. So that's the makeup look. And final touch. Obviously there was something missing. Witch hat, witch hat. Yeah. So I got this witch hat from the dollar store and customized it. It's very easy to customize a witch hat. All you need is a needle and thread, and then you just pull it to whatever shape you want it, or you can get floral wire and stick it in there and bend it to any shape you want. I just think the needle and thread is more accessible and like easier, but it's also less controlled than an actual wire, obviously. So you can go for making your own hat, or you can just go with a straight up hat, but I like this one. So that's the complete look, and I hope you liked it. It was kind of a simple one, but it's cute. So you know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.